Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to my channel. I am Priyanka and today I am taking you to a place called Carnival Magic, which is also known as the Disneyland of Phuket. This is one of the best attractions that you must go. Everyone from your child to your parents will enjoy this place. It's so beautifully lit. Look at the space, look at the grandeur. This is the entrance with all neon lights. Now the tickets of these have already been purchased online by Klook. Here you just show the online booking and you can get the manual tickets, and towards the end of the video you will actually know why the manual tickets are needed. So make sure to keep these tickets till the end of your trip. And as you can see, this area is so beautiful, so colorful. My child is enjoying herself. She and my husband are like just walking around the place. Look at it, it's so beautiful. And this is the entrance where we punch in the tickets and each one by one, and then you smile and then you can move ahead. This is so cute and I really found it very nice and unique. Look at the neon lights all over. So we had a grand buffet included with the ticket. Now there are options. This is an optional service. You can, at the time of selecting the ticket, there are a lot of options. You can choose with buffet, without buffet. Then there are private transfers. So but I selected the entire package. So this is the buffet included in the ticket. And as you can see, this is a beautiful entrance. Across this is called Bird of Paradise, I think. Yeah, Bird of Paradise. And of course it's an Instagrammable place as all over, as you can see. And after you click pictures from here, you just enter the buffet area. A huge buffet that we have entered. Look at the tables. Oh my god, it's spread. Our number was 283. So as per the ticket, you are supposed to search for your location and sit on that location and enjoy the food. There are a lot of international cuisines to start from. This is the menu in case if you want to order something besides the things which is already included in the buffet. And this is the beautiful washroom. I have never seen a washroom like this ever anywhere in the world till now. Just look at the way it is carved. This doesn't even look like a washroom. I mean, I really didn't feel like peeing after entering this. The most of the people entered only to click pictures over here, and they made reels. This is a locker area where you're supposed to store all your mobile phones, cameras, because it's strictly not allowed. If you even do not put your phones here, there is another security who will check your bags before entering the theatre. So before entering, you are not allowed to carry any kind of shooting devices, and they are very strict about it, because that's how the people will come and enjoy the show. It was a 1 hour show, and once it's done, this is again we are heading back to the carnival. It's almost done. We still have half an hour remaining, so the children can play the games. That it's like a normal game parlor which you have in the malls. It was fun, enjoying, and the staff was very friendly, and they are very interactive with the kids. So I just loved it. And there are a lot of games. Of course, these games are additional. You have to pay additional charges for this. This is not included in the carnival ticket price. Also, there are souvenirs if you want to purchase. So these are the souvenir shops which I came across, which had a lot of cute things, but of course on a little expensive part. So I did not end up buying anything, but again it depends upon you if you want to really buy these stuff. And it was all in all a very fun and nice day. My daughter enjoyed, I enjoyed the carnival. It was mind blowing, and if you're coming to Phuket, I do recommend you to see this one. I know it is little bit on the expensive part, but you can minus the buffet if you want. You can just go ahead for the tickets and you will enjoy the show for 1 hour, because this show you will not get to see anywhere in the world. So I think it was all in all a totally worth it trip. So do let me know if you like this video in the comments below. All the details about the prices, location, how to reach this place will be left in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and till then, take care. Bye bye.
No.
The end of the show where we are actually waiting for our cabs. It was very organized here. It was pouring heavily, but all the drivers and the staff were so organized. They made sure that we reached our cab safely. On the tickets we have the numbers of the cabs mentioned, so don't throw these tickets. These tickets, keep it till the end of your trip.